So we need to protect ourselves from the virus because it can be easily spread from person to person.
Carol Ann Vitani is on Martin County's front lines fighting the easily transmitted COVID-19 virus. She is the health officer at the Florida Department of Health in Martin County.
If you are touching something that may have the droplets from someone who is positive, and then you rub your nose or touch your eyes or your mouth, that's how it gets transported into your body.
We've all heard of social distancing by now. Carol Ann says it's more important than ever to follow through with it.
Because what they're seeing is that when you socially distance individuals, that there's a decrease in the spread of the virus.
Slowing the spread of the virus will also flatten the curve. The so-called curve refers to the projected number of people who will contract COVID-19 over a period of time. This flattening can ultimately mean less cases overall and less cases that could overwhelm hospitals.
The more cases that occur and more hospitalizations can really put the hospital in very dire straits regarding hospital beds.
She says everybody is susceptible to getting the virus, but our 65 and older community is vulnerable. As the older you get, the weaker your immune system becomes.
So the recommendation is for those who are 65 and older to stay home and as much as possible to prevent your exposure.
She says often it is easy to get symptoms confused with those of other ailments, and that the first thing you should do if you don't feel well is to stay home and call your doctor.
If starting to feel symptomatic, and that would be a headache, difficulty breathing, a fever, a cough, because as you know, we're still in flu season, allergy season, the common cold. There's lots of things out there.
To get daily updated information about COVID-19 and to see the health department's dashboard of updated cases in Florida, go to www.floridahealthcovid19.gov, or you can call the health department at 772-221-4000. For MCTV, I'm Bob Hoganson.